ripple trim in Adobe Premiere Pro. Simply put, if you want to ripple trim video clips, this is quite simple. Let's say we want to add a cut right here and we don't want anything after here. Instead of clicking C and to delete, you can simply click Ctrl Z and click on Q. As you can see, it has deleted. And same thing like so. You can click on K right before the next scene. And right here, if you click on Q again, it will delete everything to the left as it maintains the scene. And if you don't want anything to the right, now make sure it's selected and highlighted and click on W. As you can see, if this does not work for you in Adobe Premiere Pro, go to Edit on the top left hand screen and click on Keyboard Shortcuts and type in ripple space trim, and trim next to the playhead I have this set to W, and trim edit to the previous of the playhead I have this set to Q. Q will delete anything to the left and W will delete anything to the right. Click on OK completely for free.